How to clone your voice and use it for your folktale stories or for your faceless channel. So a lot of people have been asking me these questions. How can I clone these voices that AI is giving me and use my own personal voice, but I don't want to read through the whole long story? Or how can I get a Nigerian sounding kind of voice, like a person with a Nigerian accent kind of voice, to be my narrator in my stories? So a lot of people are doing the African folktale stories and they need a narrator that sounds like African, or their own voice that have the African accent, to be able to do this. Now I'll teach you how you can clone your own voice, or how you can actually get an African accent voice on this AI tool and use it for your narrator story. Okay, so my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize social media platform, how to edit videos, how to monetize social media, and how to work with AI tools. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually clone your voice, or how to get an African narrator. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because of course I am here for AI. So let's go into the tutorial. Let me teach you how to get that with AI for free. It is for free, yes.
Okay guys, you come to this app. This app is called the 11 Labs. Okay, now on this app, what you need to do is you register on this app. Already registered on the app because I use it often. So what you need to do is you log in, like register as the way you register on Facebook, on Instagram. Is very easy to register. Now they'll ask you, what do you want to do with this app? Are you a content creator? Are you a freelancer? Are you a business person for personal reasons or whatever? Just agree that you're a content creator, okay? And you want to use it for voiceovers. Don't use, you can use business purposes anyway, it doesn't really change, but just put content creator so that you get all the tools you really need, right? So this is the app. Register on the app. The app is called 11 Labs. Okay, name of the app 11 Labs. That's it there. Okay, so once you register and you have everything done, set, first thing first, you click here on the three bars up there. It takes you, like, you see the home page. Now you can see text to speech, voice changer, sound effects, right? Now this text to speech, it means if you text anything, you click, you put your story here and you click generate. Before you click on generate, you see where you see this Alisa, or where you see these settings by the side. You click on settings, it will give you these settings. Now after you're done with those settings, you click on any name you see by the left hand side here. You click on it, it will give you varieties of names to choose and voices to use, right? When you're done choosing that, you click on generate. This app is free because it will give you many coins, like many thousand coins to use for free. When you're done with, when you generate your story, when you generate your voice, down here under this black generate speech, you'll see your audio will appear there, and there will be a download image there as well. There'll be a download button there, so you listen to the audio. If you like it, just click by the side and download it. It will go directly to your files, your phone files. Then you can go get it from your phone files. This text to speech, you come here, you see voice changer, you click on voice changer. Now here on record, I don't want to record because if I record, you will not hear what I'm saying. Now you click on this record. Once you click on record, you can now read your story yourself. And when you read your story with your African accent, the next person here, who the voice will be generated to them, like here, down here. When you finish recording, you have to click and choose the person, then you click on generate. That person accent will be fluent but with an African accent, right? It will have an African accent and make it sound like you. Now when you're done with all this, you can see studio prep, you can see doping, you can see audio tools. These are audio tools: audio native, voiceovers, voice isolators, AI speech clarifier. That is, if you do your voiceover and the voiceover is not voiceovering, if you do your voiceover and it's not giving nicely, you can come here and use the voiceover studio to clear the voice, or you use the isolator to clear the voice. So these are the options that you have here. When it comes to this app, these are the options you have. And mind you, you have a total of 10,000 free coins. Look at it here. Look at down here. Before you all start saying it's not free, it's not free. You see, I had a total of 10,000 free coins, and it's remaining me just 400 and something because I've been using it for long. So you use this app for long for free, before you can now upgrade. Okay, mind you, AI at some point you will upgrade. It's never free till. Okay, so make use of it while it lasts. Yeah. Another thing that I want to show you now, for those of you asking me for how to use African accents and all that. Now, when you click on this, how to generate, or you want to generate, let's go back to this text to speech. Sorry. Now you want to generate here. You come to the search bar of these voices. You have different voices here. Come to the voice, then you come to the search bar and you type African voice. Okay, African voice. Now here you have Theodore and you have Hemeka. Hemeka. I don't know if that's how they spell their own. I think it's supposed to be Emeka, but yeah. So you have these two people. These two people here are actually African voices and they're deep. They have deep voices. But if you search more like African, let's say female voice, African female voice, because they normally have many, you know, you can choose from here and you get African female voice with accent. I think right now maybe a lot of people are using the other one, so they're just giving this one. But yes, you have different African voice, like different ones that they give out. Here, you can have them here. Now here you can see they have different kind of voice. When you go to their homepage, you'll find here professional voice. That if you want a professional voice that's gonna be only for you, you pay for it. Like your audio book, this app can actually read your audio book for you. They can get you a voice for podcast, instant speech, they can get it, AI agent, they can get it. So all these things are available on this app for free. Okay, these are a tons of, like right here you can see latest from the library. So these are all other new voices that have been uploaded. You just need to check on these voices and find them. They said clone your voice. You can clone your voice here, but when it gets to cloning your voice, you have to pay. If you want to clone your original voice, to use your original voice, you have to pay for it. So if you're not paying, you're not getting the clone voice. You might only use someone using your voice, or you use an African person who have an African accent kind of voice, right? So like I said again, AI is never too free. At some extent, you need to pay for it. So yeah, this is how this app works. And again, it's 11 labs. And again, you have 10,000 coins for free before it gets to the paying point. So use the free version for now and enjoy. And it's a buy for me. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to ask your questions, the next AI tools you want me to teach you. Thank you.